Handy Hudsonite here. Recently I did a couple of videos on this product, Sander Deglosser from Klean, and I wanted to be able to give you the opportunity to share your experience using this product, so stay tuned. This product, the Sander Deglosser from Klean, has proven to save my family countless hours of having to sand down our cabinets in our kitchen, which we redid a couple of years ago. And be sure to check out my videos on that I'll link up. And I want to know how this has helped you. And I know there's a lot of people that have used this product, and so I want to be able to feature you in an upcoming video. So send in a short review of this, and you could just stand in front of the camera like I am talking. If you want to demonstrate it, that's even better, because I want to bring attention to this product and to you, especially if you're trying to grow your channel. If not, if you're not a YouTuber, that's fine too. Just send in a quick video from your phone and I'll be sure to feature it in an upcoming video. So send it to me at matt@handyhudsonite.com. Just send the YouTube link and I will feature this in the near future so that we can all learn from one another and how to best use this product. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done, and I will see you in the next video.